So this is for all you bacon lovers out there, bacon kabobs. Bacon on a stick, it can't get much better. So you're gonna need bacon for this, and then my toppings are gonna be maple syrup and crushed pecans, and then you're gonna need wooden skewers. So set your oven to 400 degrees, and the main thing here so you don't start a fire is to soak your wooden skewers for a good 10 to 15 minutes in water. So my skewers have been soaked, and now I'm gonna get a piece of bacon and you're gonna thread it onto your skewer. So it's kind of like weaving it in and out. Just get it on there any way you can. And then once it's on there, I kind of just stretch it back out a bit and put it on a parchment-lined pan. So now I'm going to put this bacon into the oven for, again, the oven's 800 degrees. Oh my goodness, the oven's 400 degrees, and I'm gonna cook the bacon for 8 minutes. Pull the bacon out, and then I will show you what to do with the toppings. So, as you can see, it starts to cook up a little bit. And in these 2 ramekins here, I have a little bit of pure maple syrup and some finely crushed pecans. So it's actually gonna be like a praline bacon on a stick. So you're just gonna brush some maple on top of the bacon, pecans on top. You could use any type of nut you have on hand, walnuts, almonds, whatever floats your boat. And then we're gonna put these back in the oven, again, 400 degrees, another 8 minutes. So about 16 minutes total. And you have the most scrumptious praline bacon on a stick that you will ever have in your life. Look how delicious, golden brown they got. The nuts toasted up just perfectly. Look at these bad boys. Now these can be made a few days in advance and kept in the refrigerator. What I like to do with them is stick them in a Bloody Mary. So you got that little bit of sweet with the spicy Bloody Mary, put a praline bacon in there, and you're in heaven. But also, you can just eat them on the stick just as they are, serve them at your next brunch, and think of me. Bye guys.